Am I going? Am I all set? Okay. Hello, my peeps. Well, I am Gameplay here, and welcome back to Banjo Kazooie Nuts and Bolts. If you remember from last episode, I literally being a challenge that usually make me rip my eyes out, which I'm surprised by. I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, okay, it's already acting up. Today it is April 6th. Maybe, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna hate today. Because I'm not going to try. Excuse me. I'm not gonna try to get all the jiggies because I don't hate myself that much to do that, because it's absolute hell. Trust me. But I'm gonna get at least 90 jiggies. And there's a reason for it. But you'll learn if we ever finish a gameplay on this channel, on my channel, right? I actually did check my Boss put Klungo in charge of harvesting nuts. But Klungo not know how to drive Banjo nuts. That's a freaking lie. Wait a minute. Didn't I race you before, or it was on my other gameplay? Yeah, on my other gameplay, I raced you. And you're telling me you can't race a freaking trailer? Screw you, Klungo. Now Klungo in trouble for sure. Klungo always in trouble. Klungo gets so depressed. I'm not surprised. Banjo nuts? What are you talking about, Living Lips? This is actually a very easy challenge if you know what to do. Basically what you have to do is just get all the acorns for a certain amount of coconuts, and get it and then just put them in that thing. But I have an easier option. Just screw this damn vehicle. Watch what I'm doing. I am a smart. I actually found that out that I can actually do this on my own. I didn't even need to watch a video on it. But I am slow as fuck though. I need a... Nope. Screw you, Red Things. You're the worst. What was I gonna say? What was I saying? Oh yeah. For the last 8 years. Oh my god, 8 years. Almost 8 years. I've been here since 2013, my god. And look how I became playing these games. But what I was going to say is that I never finished the gameplay at all on my channel. On my old channel that got terminated. It does not count! One more. But yeah, I never completed an actual series on my channel. And it would be very ironic that I would complete this game, especially when everyone I talk to actually hate this game. Woo! Shut up, Trophy Thomas. Oh my god, his is next. It's gonna suck. Do I have a vehicle for his challenge? Tiger Pro, Tiger, no, I don't. I don't have one for his challenge, whatever. I'm gonna just use this, I don't care about the TT trophy anymore. I think he's right here. Is this the only one? I don't think. Did the game glitch out? Oh, it's not the acorn one. It's another fucking race. You learned your lesson, TT. Typical. That's no. I shut up. This one is even more bullshit than the other one because he has a freaking ice cube, ice freezer, which basically freezes your vehicle. Like, what the fuck? How is that fair? I'm just gonna destroy him right away. True. Yeah, I hate Toby Thomas, by the way. I'm not sure if you watch any of my other videos. I don't know why you wouldn't, but screw Toby Thomas. I could have gone that way. Now he's gonna freaking catch up to me. See? What did I tell you? What the fuck? See how bullshit that is? Haha. I hate this challenge. What? Are you fucking serious? I didn't even look at the bar! Oh my god. Screw it. Did it just glitch out? One screw up and I am done. I'm done for. It's stupid. Screw Toby Thomas, man. How long has this video been? I don't know. Hold on. I can't see the recording. 10 minutes. 10 freaking minutes. What the fuck was that? Why am I feeling so sick? Oh my god, I hate this. Oh my god. I mean, not. I mean, just not, please. Okay, I'm doing better than last time. As long as Trophy freaking Thomas doesn't do a cheap like that! Oh my god! Fuck you! I want to kill him. Maybe that's my whole problem. I'm trying to kill him. Kill later than earlier. I mean, just killing the freaking. Why does it take so long for me to ride up the hill? I'm sorry, guys. I'm irritated right now. That's so irritating. It shouldn't take this long to do it. I'm not gonna make it either way. Oh my god! This is hell. you serious? Sorry guys, I need to focus, because screw this challenge. I've been spending more time than this than the freaking Mr. Fit challenge. That's ridiculous. No! Screw you! In your freezer ray. Haha, you missed me. Haha. Leave me alone. Screw that! What the fuck? I'm really irritated right now. Oh, I got him! This is taking way too freaking long. Are you fucking? $18 minutes. 18 freaking minutes on this. What the fuck is this? Why did it move like that? Don't hit me. Oh, you passed me. Let's do that. Screw you! Don't... Good. Thank you, God. I want to rip this throat out. Okay. Turn around. You know what, guys? I think I'm done. I think I'm done right now with this video. I need a faster vehicle. I need a faster vehicle. So I will be building a vehicle right now. Then in the next video, you'll see it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give us a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you do that because I really need support on this. Not this channel, but this race. This race freaking sucks. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.